Okay, as you can see, lunch is ready. It's not fufu this time. I'm eating some fancy kenke with some prawns. I can't remember this. I think this is called sprats, sardine, shito, and that red salt. I can't. It's basically tomato, onions, pepper. And I added some fish in there as well. It's not as big as I thought it would be, but better than nothing.
So Choi, what would you rate this meal?
8 out of 10. Let me taste it. Obviously the one in Ghana is better.
Stinks though.
If it stinks, it's a good thing.
So could you eat this meal every day?
Of course. I was eating this every day when I was in Ghana. I eat fufu during the day, kenke at night. And sometimes kenke in the morning. Nice prawns.
Wow, that is some nice food.
Trust me.
But Banku's better though. So.
I'm not a big fan of Banku, but if someone gave me Banku, yeah, I'll eat it. Because I love all Ghanaian food. The only one I don't like so much, but I respect it, is TZ. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Deho or something like that? I don't like it.
Well, what is TZ?
I can't explain it. I haven't had it enough. I've only had it twice. I don't like it. It doesn't taste horrible. It tastes nice, but
what's in it?
Millets.
Millets?
Yeah, it's made out of millets. Like, this is made out of corn or maize or something. And that TZ is made out of millet. But I don't know. Someone correct me if I'm wrong.
I don't think I could eat this meal every day though.
Right.
You have to put a bit of fufu in there.
No? I mean, yeah, during the day, but you don't eat fufu with it.
Oh.
You respect each meal as a person.
What's this song called?
It's Dr. Jazzy. It's called Yediaba. You know me, I like the old songs. I don't like the new songs.
Well, no Zonto.
No, it's not good.
Just High Life.
I like some high life, like Amachi Didi.
Nama, what is it? Nana and Pedu.
Oh, that's old school though.
Oh.
That's old high life. That's the best high life. Nana and Pedu tells the best stories. City Boys Band. They got the best observational songs, I should say.
What about
They're all observational.
What about the Four Brothers, or what's it called? The Brothers? Is it the African Brothers or something?
Yeah, that was Nana and Pedu's band.
Oh.
It was cool. Nana and Pedu and the African Brothers. What about you, Karen, man?
Yeah.
You hungry?
No, not really. I just ate outside.
You know you're invited if you want to.
No. I can't do that. Like, you can't invite someone when you're in a chop bar when you're eating fufu.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, but that's disgusting. No, I mean with fufu.
Ghana.
With fufu, I mean anything else is cool, but fufu is a different story.
In Ghana, every time people eat food, they're like, "You're invited. You're invited." I'm like, no. Enjoy your food.
So you combine the prawns with the fish?
Mix it up.
So one was it one bowl of kenke is not enough?
Nope. That's why I got another bowl right there. Woo. This is quite messy, but
The taste must be wonderful.
the taste is great. The preparation to get the scraps, the prawns, the sardines with the two sauces. But it would taste better if I was in Ghana. Except I wouldn't have prawns. It's hard to find prawns in Ghana.
Yeah, I never see anyone eat prawns in Ghana. In general, really. So, out of all the foods that you've eaten in Ghana, what is your number one?
Pancake.
Serious?
And ampassia. I know I didn't pronounce that right. But
No, fufu is number one.
Yeah, definitely. It will always be number one. Even if the doctor tells me you'll die if you have your next one. In that case, better start planning my funeral. I'm not joking.
Oh, this food is making me hungry. I'm gonna have to sign out now. So,
Because I can't talk. I can't talk.
so if you have enjoyed this, give us a like and subscribe for more of this, for more of him eating. I'm joking now. For other videos.